Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to enable annotations for shared screen in Zoom. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to mark up presentations, highlight important points during meetings, or collaborate visually with your team members in real time. First, open your web browser and go to zoom.es. Once the page loads, look at the left sidebar where you'll find various navigation options. Click on My Account and then select Settings from the available choices. This will take you to the main configuration page where you can customize your Zoom preferences. Now, in the Settings area, click on Meeting. This section contains all the options related to how your meetings function and what features are available during calls. Scroll down through the various toggles and options until you find Annotation. Once you locate it, toggle it on. This step is essential because it activates the annotation feature for all your future meetings, allowing both you and your participants to draw and mark up shared content. In order to test that this feature is working properly, open your Zoom app and join a meeting. This could be a test meeting you create yourself or an actual scheduled call. Once you're in the meeting, look at the bottom toolbar where all your meeting controls are located. In the bottom toolbar, click Share. A window will pop up showing you different options for what you can share with other participants. Select the screen or application window you want to share, then click Share to begin broadcasting that content to everyone in the meeting. Here's an optional step that can enhance your sharing experience. You can check the box beside Share Sound if you need audio from your computer to be heard by participants. You can also check Optimize Video for sharing if you're sharing video content that needs smooth playback. After making your selections, click Share. Once your screen is being shared, look at the top toolbar that appears. This toolbar contains additional controls specific to screen sharing. Click Annotate to activate the annotation tools. This opens up a whole new set of options for marking up your shared content. In the left panel that appears, you'll see various annotation tools available. Click the Draw button and start to draw. You can now freely mark up your shared screen, circle important information, underline key points, or sketch out ideas directly on whatever you're sharing. This makes your presentations more interactive and helps ensure everyone understands exactly what you're referring to during the meeting. And that's it. You've successfully enabled and tested annotations for shared screens in Zoom. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.